everyone. Today I've got this tutorial for you. Nice little chicken. Very cute and very easy to make. I have made two, and for this one I put eyes little bit further away from the seam, from the mouth, and this one little bit closer. You choose which one you like more, which one looks cute. I think this one looks cuter, but when you insert eyes, you play with it, play with the position, and do as you find cuter or more interesting. Materials will be in the link below in the description. Check it out. You will see my other tutorials I have made. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and let's be friends. Today I'm using 6mm crochet hook and baby yarn, white, little bit of red, and this don't know, orange, or how do you call this color? I like mustard color. Eyes 8mm, and let's get going. First I will start with slip knot. And I will make 9 chain stitches. Single crochet in the second chain stitch, single crochet in the third chain stitch, and keep going till the end. You would have 8 single crochets, chain 1 and turn. Don't count chain 1 as a stitch. Start with the proper stitch. Round 2, 1 single crochet in each stitch. And you will have 8 stitches. Make sure it is 8 stitches, 8 single crochets from round to round, from row to row. Turn and again start with the proper stitch, and so like this keep going. If you struggle, you can use stitch marker with your first stitch. It will help you to identify your last stitch, or you just have to count number 8. I have made 13 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now you can fold it. You can use the needle, stitch around, but I will go with single crochets. I have made 8 single crochets because it is 8 single crochets, chain 1, and now you can make as many single crochet as goes on this side. I have made 7. Chain 1, and we finished. This is what you should have. This is what you will have. And now let's decorate it. Attach red yarn, and I will be making double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 more in the next stitch. One and 2. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Pull and cut. Take the ends inside. And then tie the knot. Let's make the beak. Let's insert eyes. and safety cups. After you insert stuffing, squash your chicken this way, and then I can use the needle and start stitching it sideways. Of course, you can use a slip stitch to finish this seam, but I will be using the needle. It's nice and neat. Make it nice and neat. Oops, nearly there. And secure the yarn. Hide it. And cut the yarn. Ta-da! Already nice and cute. There you go. If you like this chicken, please see description below for my other chickens. I've got 2 more. You will find it very interesting. Hope you enjoy this tutorial, and bye for now.